Again. Stop. Hold up.
Show your little body, 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 body. Show them a little body, 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 body. And Shorty got the body.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a subtle spring look. Spring is around the corner and everybody wants to go outside because you know winter is not really like one of the best seasons. You're always stuck inside because it's so cold, it's snowing, yada 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 yada. So I decided to do a early subtle spring look. Everything for this look will be in the description box, so do not forget to check down there. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. But without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Firstly, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. Let me fix this. Yeah guys, so I'm going to be starting out with my brows, and I'm going to be using a spoolie, which is the eyebrow spoolie. An angled brush like this, and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow. This color is in the shade dark brown. So this is how it's looking, and I'm trying to do this video, and I will be trying to tell you guys every single thing that I use in this video, because I feel like everybody has been saying like, sis, what's the product, like what are the products that you've been using? But I'm pretty much going to be doing. That's the first line. And guys, your brows are not sisters, they're more like cousins. One is always going to be different. I don't know, for me especially, one's always different, so don't think you're going to get my brows looking the same. And that's pretty much how I do my brows, and then you know, outline it and all of that. So basically I'm going to be cleaning up my brows, or outlining the brows, and I'll be using the cosmetic base, and it's from Plouise, and this is in the color Rumour 03. Guys, I forgot to mention that on the top part of my brow, All I did was use the same foundation that I used on my face to outline the top part of my brows. I always do that. So whatever foundation I'm going to be using on my face, that is what I used on the brows. And my foundation is the Fenty Beauty in the shade 350. So that's what's going on the top of my brow. Mixed with I don't remember the other foundation, but I'll list it down below. Don't worry. So now I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r primer, and I'm just using it to prime my face. Foundation, and I will be mixing it with this foundation because this one is a little bit light. I don't put a lot of this one because this one is more on the darker side. I don't really put too much of it, but sometimes I be too pale. So today's look will be from the Coral Juvia's Place, Juvia's Place, and it's the Nubian 3 Coral palette. I'm not doing anything extra. I'm probably just gonna put a little dimension in my eyes and brighten up the inner corners, but I'm not doing anything too extra because my eyelashes, yes, I do have eyelashes on. They're very subtle, so I'm going to be doing a more subtle look. So I'm gonna put this maybe on my lids, and then I'm gonna put this one in the outer corners to kind of darken it up a little bit more. Or maybe I'll put this pink. Yeah, I'll put this pink there. This is a nice pink. A little goes a long way. Like, you see how subtle this eye look is? Like, I literally just put 2 shadows on it and it looks, you know, very subtle. You just need to have the right balance and it will look nice. And sometimes I like using my fingers since lately, because my fingers, for some reason, the product comes off a little bit more pigmented than using the brush. I'm going to be going in with my, I could go back out a little bit more. Yeah, now I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the color Natural Beige, and I'm just going to be highlighting my eyes. And I'm going to be blending this out with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty Match Stix, and this is in the color Truffle. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and I'm going to do a very skinny eyeliner. I don't want to do too much because I have little to no eyelashes on. So I'm going to be going in with my translucent setting powder, and that is what I'll be using to set my face today. My Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I'm just going to be going in with the powder contour, and I'm going to be putting it over that original cream contour that I did with the Fenty Beauty matchsticks. Then I'm going to be going in with my blush, and I'm going to be putting some blush on my cheeks. And I like to fake smile, so the brush could go pretty much on my cheeks here. So even though I already have some lash extensions on, but they're very like you can hardly see them, I'm going to be going in with some more, and I'm just going to be going in with similar styles, which is the pre-made ones, and I'm going to be using the same glue that I would use, the Super Bond glue, because that's the one that I did for this lash thing, and I'm just going to add some more so it looks a little bit more full. Before putting my mascara on, because sometimes when I put my mascara on and then set my face, the mascara tends to mess up my face I should say, but I forgot and actually put the mascara on before setting it, but you know. That's how I'm setting my face today. Now for my lips. Now I am going to be slowing down this part because I want everybody to see the lip combo that I am actually going to do, because everybody keeps asking me what is your lip combo, and I repeat the same lip combo all the time, guys. Like every time I do a lip combo, it is the same thing. I normally use any brown liner. So in this case, you could use any brown liner or any brown eyeshadow. I'm going to be using an eyeshadow today because my pencil is almost done. I can't find my sharpener, so I'm just gonna use this color to outline my lips. I'm going to be using the Madison Bear. This is one of the Morphe lip gloss, and this is in the shade Mercury. This is my first time using this, so I don't know if this will actually look cute. I've never used this color before, or this lip gloss. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This time I will definitely remember to add the links for everything that I use on my face. I promise, like I actually promise. I'm going to add every products that I use on my face in the description box, so you guys won't worry. You guys won't have to like message me and be like, yo sis, like what product did you use? I'll list everything down in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.
Show your little body, body, body.